Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add friends on Steam. So how do you do that? Once you're inside your Steam account, on the upper left hand side you want to click on Steam, or go over Steam and click the Steam there, and you'll find settings, right? So you click on settings, and under your account you will see a section that says friends code, and this is basically showing your code. This is a code that you can give to someone and they can add you to Steam, or you can get a friend code and you can add that person to Steam as well. So let me go ahead and show you. So just simply click add friends, right? And once you click on that, you will be taken over to this section here where you can add friends. So simple, it shows you your Steam code, so you can copy this code and you can share this code with someone. So click and copy, it's copied, and you can share this with someone, I don't know, through your WhatsApp or through your Facebook or Instagram, whatever it might be. You just need to share this code with them and they can also add you to Steam. And vice versa, if someone give you the code, you can simply enter that code here. Just simple put that code. So I copy it. So let's say this is someone code. I click on that and I enter it, and you will see it finds that person, and basically it's just showing that this is my profile. But maybe let me go ahead and change a few digits. So let's say someone's code would be 30 or 22. Let's see. So this is not someone, but let's remove this. So this is someone, right? And as you can see that it detects that there's a Steam account with this, let's say, friend code, and you just need to send invite, and once that person get it, then they can basically accept and you have a friend on Steam. So that's it. But I'm not going to add this person because I don't know who it is. I just wanted to show you. Another option is you can share your link. So this is a link that you can copy and you can share this link. It expires after 30 days, as you can see. So if you can send this by SMS or by email or by WhatsApp or whatever it might be, you can share this link to someone and they will be able to, let's say, do the same thing, add you on Steam and vice versa. No, this is not just a link that stays there. What happened is that you can also generate a link as well. So you can send this link and okay, you can always click new, generate new link, generate new link, generate new link. And as you can see, you can generate as much link and you can basically share that link with someone. So that's it, guys. Really, that's how it is. You can also try searching for your friend. So if you know the friend profile name, so let's say I know someone by the name of Jake, I can search, for example, Jake 50 or Jake 69. I don't know if someone is with a name, but I can click that and I can hit enter and it will search for Jakes. So as you can see, it found a lot of people by the name of Jake with that number, and you can just find whatever and you can simply click add as a friend. So let's say I add this person, click add as a friend. I hope this person will not worry, but you can see the invitation was sent, and that's basically it, right? So and that's it, guys, and that's how you basically do it. If that person accepts, I hope that is not a problem, right? But you get the general idea. If that person accepts, then when I will go back, I will have a friend, right? I'll definitely have a friend by the name of Jake. But Jake, if you're seeing this, I'm sorry, I'm just doing this for the purpose of a tutorial, just to show my audience, yeah, that yeah, I can have friends there, right? And yeah, once you do that, guys, you will have your friends. You can also see it here as well on the left hand side. It says add friends, and yeah, it will take you over to the same page and you can see your friends afterwards. So once Jake accepts, if he do accept, then you will see that it pops up here and it shows my friends. You can also manage your friend list as well if you have additional, so you can see all, you can see none, you can see all of these things. You can remove friend, you can block friend, and so forth. So all of these different things. So if Jake accepts, eventually I will just remove Jake or block Jake if Jake is annoying, and vice. You get the idea, guys. But that's it. That's how to go ahead and add friends on Steam, right? You have multiple opportunities here to do the same thing, to add friends on Steam. But in a nutshell, that's it. Very easy and very simple.